Hi everyone. Before we dive in, I want you to take a deep breath and ask yourself this. When was the last time I really looked at myself? I'm not talking about glancing in the mirror before rushing out the door, but really look at your appearance and thought, what do what do I love? What can I improve? If you are like most of us, you are probably avoid this as much as possible. Today, we are going to break the habit of avoidance. Together, we will assess your current appearance, and trust me, this isn't about pointing out flaws. It's about understanding yourself, finding areas for improvement, and embracing the potential that you have to become the best version of you. Why it's important to assess your appearance? Because your appearance is often the first impression you give to the world, whether you like it or not. People make judgment in the first few seconds of meeting us. But here's the thing, it's not just about how others see us, it's also about how we see ourselves. The way we look can impact our confidence, our mood, or even our motivation. Assessing your appearance is the first step in Looksmaxxing, understanding where you are at now so you can set realistic goals for improvement. This isn't about perfection, it's about progress. It's about owning where you are today so you can take charge of where you want to be tomorrow. Let's get real for a second. Most of us have insecurities about our looks. Maybe it's your acne scars that never seem to fade, or hair that doesn't quite cooperate. Maybe it's the little bit of weight you have been struggling to shed, or features that don't match what you see in the magazines or on social media. Whether it is, we all have something that make us feel lost. I have been there. I have looked at myself and thought, if only this were different, if only I could change that. But here's the truth, it's okay to want to improve appearance. There's no shame in looking at yourself and saying, I deserve to feel better about how I look. You are allowed to want more for yourself. So, how do we begin this process of assessing your current appearance? It starts with honesty. Grab a notebook or phone or whatever you use to take notes and write down these categories: face, hairs, body, skin, and style. Now we are going to break this down piece by piece. Don't worry, this isn't about tearing yourself apart. It's about looking each category objectively and asking yourself two key questions: what do I like and what can I improve? Let's start with the face. When you look at your features, ask yourself, do you feel confident in them? Maybe your skin could use some hydration, or your eyebrows could need little bit shaving. It's not about focusing on clothes, but more about where you can make small improvements. Skincare plays a huge role here. Are we dealing with acne, dry skin, or maybe dark circles? Look for solutions, whether it's adopting a daily routine or using specific products to target problems areas. Taking care of your skin is more than just a vanity. It's self-care, and it can dramatically impact how you feel about yourself. Now let's talk about hair. Whether you are someone loves to experiment with styles, or you prefer something low maintenance, ask yourself, does your hair reflect how you want to present to the world? Maybe it's time for a trim, or maybe you need to invest in product that works better for your hair types. Hair can completely change about how you feel about your appearance. So don't be afraid for experiments or ask for help from a stylist. Sometimes all you need is a new perspective. When it comes to the body, this is where things get tricky, because we all have insecurities here. We all have insecurity here. Maybe you are not at your ideal weight or your fitness level, and that's okay. This isn't about hating your body, it's about finding ways to take care of it. Maybe you want to build muscles or lose fat, or maybe you just want to feel more energetic and strong. Whatever your goal is, you need to acknowledge where you are now so you can map out where you want to be. Let's move on to the style. This is where you can really express yourself. When you think about your wardrobe, ask yourself, do my clothes makes me feel confident? Do this fit well? Do this represent who I am? A great outfit can boost your mood instantly, so don't underestimate the power of style. Style is personal, but it also about how you feel when you walk up the door. Are you putting on clothes that makes you feel like the best version of yourself? If not, it's time for a reassess and maybe invest in few stable pieces that you love. At the end of the day, Looksmaxxing isn't just about making changes to your appearance, it's about feeling more confidence in your own skin. When you start taking small steps towards improvement, you will notice how your confidence grows, and that confidence expels in every area of your life. How you approach work, relationship, or even how you carry yourself in public. It's amazing what little self-care and attention to detail can do for your overall sense of self, and that's why assessing your current appearance is so important. It gives you a clear starting point, but it also reminds you that you have the power to change the thing you are not happy. Now let's talk about the psychology of first impression. Study shows that people make judgments about us within the first few seconds of meeting us. It's not fair, but it's a reality of human interaction. The way we present yourself to people, your grooming, your posture, your style, these things all send signals to the world about who you are. But here's the good news: you can take control of that narrative. Looksmaxxing is about taking charge of first impression. It's not about being someone you are not, but about enhancing the best part of yourself. See that when you walk into a room, do see with confidence. Now that we have gone through this together, it's time to take action. Start yourself. Assignment today: grab a notebook, stand in front of the mirror, and get real of yourself. Remember, this isn't about tearing yourself down. It's about building yourself up one step at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, save and share with someone who needs a little boost. And if you are ready for a more Looksmaxxing tips and practical advice, subscribe to this channel and turn on this post notification. Your journey to becoming the best version of yourself starts here, and I'll be with you every step on the way. You have the power to define how you see yourself and how world sees you. So like, save, share, subscribe and make it happen. See you in the next video, and then forget to stay tuned for part 5 of this series. We will be diving into basic grooming, covering hair care, skin care, and oral hygiene essentials. You won't want to miss out.